$1 try, 9 over 11.61 over 11.61. What'd you bet, Brent?
I already bet, but I just do like a little, I threw that 11 in there.
What's your name?
My name is Eli.
Pablo, colder than Gustavo. Bitches all up.
What do you think about, who's the 4? I like the
Paradise
Woods.
Oh, come on, man.
How could he?
The vlog breakdown. Dino, who we like in the Oaks?
It's all about Miss Sky Warrior, the 10 horse.
The 10 horse?
Has enough speed to get out of the gate, should be well positioned, has all the pedigree and the breeding for the mud. 10 horse, Miss Sky Warrior.
Let's go! Let's go!
Can't wait the morning, yeah. Shawty wanna roll on me. Popping on the smiley, yeah. We all up on the scene. She just wanna get up on me. Tell me why you do it, shawty, do it for me. Shawty clap that ass and she clap it for me. Know that she gon' love me, shawty see that I'm a G. She been popping on this.
Happy Oaks!
Go, baby, go!
Go, baby, go!
She been sipping on the lean, yeah, she hitting ain't mean. She been saying that I mean, shawty wait up on the bitch some Pablo.
Hey, Katie.
Happy folks!
Let's go!
Lately everybody looking like they models, yeah. Fucking bitches on the condo. 33, 36.
Hey, Alexa.
Yeah.
Does the hat look better on me or you?
You.
It's a shame. Definitely.
Looking where I'm on a bit. Sun's falling down. Sun's falling down. Sun's falling. There's nothing we can do about it.
Always been the wise guy, always lived the high life. Looking back at hindsight now, even after every
Sick. Sick. I love it.
right night, never really felt like the right time till right now.
Shoot it.
You ready?
Shoot it. Across the room. Oh, soft. Happy Derby. Let's go, B. Let's go, baby. You guys bet?
4 times 12.
4. I bet on the 4.
1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3, 3, 3's all I see anymore. 1 for my honey.
Lanes, tell me about these. Tell me about these boots.
What about
You're on E right now. You're getting interviewed for E right now. Tell me what's going on here.
those are my hunter boots
Your hunter boots
from Von Mar.
from Von Mar and the hat.
And I designed that myself.
You designed the hat. That's an Elaine Key.
We got the hunter boots.
The Elaine Key special.
Actually, it's Sarah Purdy.
The authentic Elaine Key.
Right, exactly.
I like it.
2 for my bros, 3, 3, 3's all I see on the low. Smoking weed where the mountain peaks, that's a better view than the balcony. Join me.
Does Daisy got a pick for me?
I think Daisy's recommending you lay your money on Irish War Cry.
Irish War Cry? Irish War Cry. All right, Daisy, thanks. A little up, a little down to one exacta, but other than that, it's been pretty bad so far, but a lot of time left. So Kevin, how did you pick this outfit out? This derby outfit.
Go dojo till I get that mojo right, go ride my wavelength, guilty conscience.
Hey Lane, are you gonna vlog that?
It's the best app made. Absolutely not.
The vlog-
You cannot vlog a picture. Seriously?
Because a vlog is a video blog, right?
It's a video blog.
Lane, so you want to see what happens when you derby too much? Derby too much. When you derby too much. Mom, have you ever derbied that much? Never. Hey Rob, you want to? Cammy, you want to see what happens when you derby too much?
I'll get evicted with God as my witness. I'm closing my eyes and I pray to the one that created the world that we live in. For all the wrongs I committed, I always been the
On the record, Gervin.
Yes! Gervin, is this being videotaped?
Yes.
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 That's number
Gervin.
7, and it's a lucky number, too.
I like 7. Gervin.
stars, that could be us. The world is tomorrow, was it enough? Just know who you are, God doesn't judge. Yeah. 1 for the money, 2
Don't spend it all in one place.
emo, 1 for my honey, 2 for my bros, 3, 3, 3's all I see on the.
Another derby in the books. Won the raffle. Great day. Amazing.